All right, let's get started. What would you like out of today's visit?
Talk a little about my diabetes, I guess. I've been feeling pretty good, but I haven't really been looking after myself recently.
So you'd like to address your diabetes, and it sounds like you've had some trouble caring for yourself.
Yeah, I feel tired and sometimes I forget to take my meds. I know I've been told before how important it is, but I'm so busy it kind of gets lost. It's just not what I'm usually thinking about.
I hear you've been busy, and it's a challenge to take your medications regularly, yet you know it's important.
My mom's been bugging me to come in. Says it's good for me. It's just so hard, you know? For a while, things were looking up. I lost 10 pounds, but then I gained it all back. There's so much going on, so I make do. I mean, for the past, I don't know how long, I've had so much on my mind.
Sounds like you have a lot going on. It's understandable that's impacting both you and your diabetes.
Right.
Can we explore those areas of your life a bit more and see how they might be connected to your health?
Sure. Why not?